Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the PHP strings and variables section. This is strings. Hello world. In everyday conversation, we use the word data to refer to any sort of information. This information is often a list of numbers, like a company's monthly expenses, or statistics about an athlete's performance. However, in programming, data means something very specific. It's still information, but that information takes the form of a few specific types. The PHP language has different ways of handling different types of data. Which actions a computer can perform and how the computer stores the data in memory will vary based on the type. In this lesson, we'll be learning about the string data type. Strings are words or pieces of text that the computer treats as a single item. A string is a sequence of characters. It can be any length and contain any letters, numbers, symbols, or spaces surrounded by quotation marks. Here we have echo, my first string, prints my first string. It's important to distinguish between strings and the rest of the code in a PHP program. Every part of a program is text, but the strings are the parts we intend to keep as data, not as instructions to be executed by a computer. In this lesson, we're going to focus on strings wrapped in double quotation marks. If you're curious, you can check out the official PHP documentation to see other types of PHP strings. In later lessons, we'll be using PHP to create custom HTML documents enabling dynamic web pages. As we learn the basics, however, we'll be writing simple PHP-only programs that run in the terminal. Let's make some strings. Our instructions say, let's start with the classic. Use the echo keyword to print hello world. You should always end a PHP statement with a semicolon. Let's do that now. Run it. We do pass, we do get hello world printed to the console. So the main thing in this lesson we're learning is strings. And as it says here, strings are just a collection of characters or a sequence of characters. String is a data type. How the computer stores data in memory will vary based on our type. In this lesson, we focus on the string data type, which again is a sequence of characters. They're words or pieces of text that the computer treats as a single item. As long as you understand that, you guys are getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.